Hello researchers, dive in with us as we uncover the protocol behind the DIV042 reagent, your go-to for delivering anionic peptides. Let's take a look into the box. 1 milliliter pipette tips and 2 crucial vials. First up, the lipid-loaded vial, and then our trusty DIV vial, the essence of emulsion formation. Start by pouring 100 microliters of ethanol into the DIV042 vial. A few smooth pipetting actions will do the trick, ensuring those lipids are well dissolved. Next, introduce 900 microliters of millicube water into the DIV vial. Remember to use the trusty tip provided with the reagent. Let's form the nanoemulsion. Transfer all of the ethanol from the DIV042 into the DIV vial. Make sure you're using the same micropipette and tip set at maximum volume. A brisk pipetting action seals the deal. Now, onto binding the peptide to our formulation. The volume, well, that's where table 2 on page 5 comes in. For this demo, we're going with 50 microliters of our formulation. Add it dropwise into the peptide solution. Let it mingle for a 15-minute incubation and you're all geared up. And just like that, your formulation is ready to go. A pro tip, whether loaded or blank, these formulations can be stored up to 48 hours at 4 degrees Celsius. But always have the peptide stability in mind. For customized and optimized prototypes, you can contact us at info@diversatechnologies.com.